This is Chris from Munch and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste of the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine that KFC Australia still made this salad, then it could buy it and review it properly, instead of making it up as it go along. Now imagine that it actually knew how much it costs, and that it didn't actually pre-make this and put it in my own bowl. While you're here, if you can flick my bean and play with the bell end, I'd greatly appreciate it. Speaking of flicking the beans, Bean Flickers Coffee. Hot, red, hits the spot. Merch is in the subscription panel below. To start off with sliced green beans, butter beans, red kidney beans, apple cider vinegar, 1 white onion, 1 red onion, and 1 capsicum. Chop them up and chuck them in a bowl. Now chuck in your apple cider vinegar. Slosh in some vegetable oil, black pepper, bit of salt, and toss that salad. Now make it look fancy on a plate. Pretend you know what you're doing. Came in at around about $2. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.